Okay, can you see my screen right here? Alright, hopefully you can. With that being said, what you want to do is go over to pages, and we're going to go ahead and click on here and create. Want to click on create a new page, and there we go right here. And I'm going to go back into the next part of the video. We're going to go into my favorite place where I do all my creativity. Alright, we off inside my favorite place, and that is Canva, as you can see right here. And yes, there's me there, and yes, I am a pro. I do have a pro account on here. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get to Facebook cover. This is where I'm going to start doing my creation. Okay, so I haven't really gave this page a name, but just for the sake of this tutorial, we're just gonna do let's just say we got a podcast here. Okay, so we starting a podcast show here. So with that being said, I'm gonna take all this here out of the background. I do not want this, and I'm gonna show you how to be more creative with this. I will keep probably all the words here, but with all this here in the background, take that all out. Okay, and we'll leave this here. I'll leave it probably there. We'll bring it like so, like this. Let's do that and make it a little bit bigger. I'm gonna use this for now. Okay, but I want that red. I'm gonna make it pop. Okay. Then I'm gonna go over here to elements. Okay. Click on over here, and I'm gonna look for like mics. I'm gonna look for a mic, and I want something transparent. I want a transparent mic, and what I mean by that, it doesn't have no type of background to it. Okay, doesn't have no background to it. I'm gonna add my own kind of background to it and whatnot. Let's see here. What mic do I want to use today? Kind of like this one right here. I could use this. Let me show you something. Let me show y'all something. I'm gonna use this gold one, right? But I know it has a background onto it. I want to take that background off of there, so I'm gonna use the background remover. Okay. And I'm also gonna flip this around another way. Okay. I'm gonna add an image in here. Watch, you'll see me. I'm gonna flip this around as well. And I want this like maybe something like this, like so, something like that maybe. And let's see here. We'll just leave it right there for now. Okay, now I want to add some type of little background here. Let's see. I'm gonna go to background here. I think I want to go with like granites. Let's do granites just for this sake of this video. I'm gonna do granites. I'm gonna put like something like this in there for the background for now. Something like this, okay? Alright. Boom. Keep this. Yeah, let's do that. Let's flip it around. I think I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna do something different here. I'm gonna get some of this stuff out of here. I don't know this. I'm just trying to make this fast, okay? Just showing you that you how to. But I want y'all to be more creative than this, okay? And we're gonna bring that mic down. So, but for right now, I'm gonna fix this. I want this dot. I just like that. Okay. Boom. Okay. And I'm gonna put this dot right here. I'm gonna group these. I'm gonna group this here together. Okay. I'm trying to just do this here fast right now, but I'm gonna show y'all something. I'm gonna make this video a little kind of like short and sweet, but you get the idea what I'm doing here. Right. All right, and I want the podcast probably a bit bigger. Yeah. Yes, this like so. Bam. Okay. All right. And I'm gonna add, upload myself in here. Just saying that it's me. Okay. Upload myself in here. Let's see. Where I'm at. Let me get myself. Let me find myself. There I am. Okay, and let me take away my background of myself. It's gonna look real cool, ladies and gentlemen. Watch this. Watch how I do this. Okay. And I'm gonna make myself a little bit bigger. I'm gonna do this, just like so. I'm gonna flip myself around here, like on this side right here. There we go. And we're gonna go over here to transparency. And I'm gonna put myself into a blend mode inside the background there. See how it's looking now? Should be able to see me? Yes. A little too much, but just a little bit better than that. We're gonna bring me up just a little bit. There we go. Bam. And then there's my mic. Add the mic down here, like so. This right here. Oh, I'm gonna have to put this on lock mode. Let's lock that so I can move my mic here. No, stop that. There we go. Move that mic out of there. Probably like so. Yes, and I'm gonna tilt that mic a little bit, ladies and gentlemen, like so, like this. There we go, and we'll make it so it don't look like it's tilted. Like you won't be able to see that. In other words, but this right here, you see where I'm moving it at? Right there. Yeah. Okay. Boom. Boom. Bow. Okay, there we go. You know, you get the idea. You get what I'm saying. I wouldn't too much do it like this. I'm gonna group this a little bit. I think I'm gonna move this. Yeah, I don't want it too much in my face like so, but I'm gonna have that just like this. Bam. And we'll probably just go ahead and make these some red dots. All in, yeah. Just like that. We'll put this probably up underneath that like that. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Continue watching, because there's more to come. Okay. But don't be alarmed. Just continue watching. All right. Have something at the end to share with you. Okay. Okay. Now that's in place, right? Okay. Let's get this. Let's get this here underway. And let's try to move this here. It can be a booger snap. Okay, ungroup that. Okay, Mr. Brown. Let's put you, unlock it. Because we're gonna have to put this position backwards. Okay, it's more better. I think that's better. That group. I want this. I'm sorry. I just want to be stubborn right now. Everything. Okay. I'm gonna just make it just like this for now, for the sake of the video. Yes, just for the sake of the video. Let's make that another color. Let's see, we'll get that text. Text. I like this text. Okay, yes, we just do it for right now for the sake of the video. I don't want to keep y'all here too much longer on this graphic design. I just want y'all to be more precise. I want you to be creative whenever you're creating whenever you're creating this type of stuff. I just wanted to show you that it's a lot of drag and drop, and you know what I'm saying. If you utilize the tools the right way, I can show you different tactics and tricks and make some things very, very unique. Okay, but with that said, let's get part 3 of this video. Now we're gonna get started, and we're gonna add this to Facebook. Just continue watching throughout the video, and I have something very, very important to share with you. Let's finish on out this tutorial. That's right. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and download this. Okay, download this to the computer. I'm gonna give it a name. I'm gonna call it. Once it downloads to my computer, I'm gonna call it podcast. Okay, now we back off inside here of Facebook. Okay, now I'm gonna give this page information. Page information required. We're gonna give it the podcast, the info. What? Let's see. Let me think of a name. Be right back with you guys. Okay, I just sat there and I gave this page a name. So what I'm gonna call it is I'm gonna call it Easy Solutions Affiliate News. So yeah, I was thinking about creating a channel around that. Tell me what y'all think. If y'all like that, you know, Easy Solutions Affiliate News, tell me what you think. I was just thinking about maybe creating something around that. But with that being said, let's continue on doing this video here. So let's do okay, so let's see here. Yeah, I already gave it a description. I added all this here and that good stuff, and create page. While it's doing that, while it's creating something here. Okay, Easy Solution Affiliate News was created now. Okay, now we need to add a profile picture here. So let's see what type of picture I want to pick from here. I'm just gonna go inside here and pick a picture. I'm gonna add my best buddy right here. Add my best guy right there. Okay, now that's gonna be my guy for right now. Okay, we'll save him. Now it's asking for a code and whatnot. Okay, I'll be right back with you guys once I get this code. Okay, so far I got the code, I got the WhatsApp and everything set up with inside there. But yeah, what you want to do is you want to set up your WhatsApp, but it's also that you want to also set up your Meta business. There's an app for that. But we'll go. That's through maybe another tutorial. I don't want to keep y'all here too much long because we've been here for a minute. Just showing you on how to even create a page. We still got a lot more the way it goes. But with that being said, let's go ahead and upload this picture off inside here. Okay, so we do the edit, and what I want to do is upload photo. And what I do is I'm gonna go back. I think I have it in my downloads. Let's see here. Yes, there it is. Podcast. It's right there, and I hit open. Then there it is. It's gonna come on my computer here. Okay, there it is. I just kind of adjust it a little bit, and I'm gonna adjust it to about right there. And there we go. There's your page. Hit save. This is the part I wanted to share with you, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see my screen, I'm back off inside. I'm right back off inside my profile of Easy Solutions Affiliate News. Okay, so this is this is what I came up with as far as the graphic design that I designed it for. As you can see, I did a little different modifications to it. You know, like I said, you just wants to be very, very creative, and this would make you stand out from all the rest. Like I said, I will have more deep down training. If you're more than welcome, just go down and subscribe to the channel. Let me know where you're coming from, and I look forward to seeing you in more tutorial videos. Bye for now.